Hello, scholars. I'm glad to welcome you to today's English class. Our topic for today is simple and compound sentence. Simple and compound sentence. My name is Miss Rebecca. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete meaning. Example: the girl is happy. This expression is a sentence because it gives us a complete meaning. We need to note that a sentence begins with capital letter. You can see that from the example on the board. The capital letter is in a box to show to you that a sentence must always begin with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark, depending on the type of sentence. Let's talk about simple sentence. A simple sentence talks about one idea. A simple sentence talks about one idea. It has one subject and one verb. Note, a simple sentence has only one subject and one verb. Examples of simple sentences include I like rice. That sentence contains only one idea, one subject, and one verb. I is the subject, like is the verb. And I have another example here. He walks fast. It has only one subject and one verb. The subject there is he, and the verb is works. Having understood what simple sentence is, let's also take a look at compound sentence. Compound sentence is the combination of two simple sentences. Compound sentence is the combination of two simple sentences. And this combination is done using and or but. Examples of compound sentence include 1. I like rice and beans. This sentence is a combination of two simple sentences, and the two sentences are I like rice, I like beans. After combining the two sentences with the use of and, it becomes I like rice and beans. I have another example here that says the boy ran but fell. It's also a combination of two simple sentences, which are the boy ran, the boy fell. So, after combining, we have the boy ran but fell. Can you attempt this little exercise? Let's see. You are to identify if each of these sentences is a simple sentence or compound sentence. Sentence number 1, the cat sleeps. And question number 2, I read and write. All right, the answer is number 1, the cat sleeps. It is a simple sentence because it contains only one idea. While number 2, I read and write, is a compound sentence because it's a combination of two ideas. I hope you had a great time in today's English class and you have also learned one or two things. If you have any question, hit the comment section. And do not forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.